All right, trade recap. So today I took 3 trades. I took 1 break even, 1 loss, and 1 win. I'm up for the day for not that much, but my account's now at break even. So yeah, that's good. But yeah, let's go over the trades that I took. So going into today, I was actually really bullish. I was expecting, like I said in the weekly review as well, or weekly analysis video, I said that I'm expecting for this week to be really bullish. What did we have? We had 2 weeks ago, we had like accumulation week. Manipulation week would be last week, and this week would be distribution week. Not just by off of that, but also with where we are in the charts, what we have upcoming. So we have elections that's coming up. We are in second stage distribution on NQ, which is pretty obvious, where I'm expecting for us to trade into all-time highs, which would also fit the narrative of the elections, like I said it many times there. Also on ES, trading or going to all-time highs again, I would say. And then, yeah, from here, what would it be here? So on the weekly, maybe on the 3 days, more clear. This would be the smart money reversal after taking this low. I think we had an SMT there as well. Yeah, we had smart money reversal here. Lower SPY would probably be trading inside of this wick here. First stage distribution would be here. Then we have some accumulation here, or maybe on the 2 days, maybe even more clear. Then we had some accumulation here, and then this would be second stage distribution until the buy set up here, which is going to be the original consolidation. So yeah, I was expecting for this week to be really bullish. Looking at the economic calendar for this week, we had that was not this day, was it? That was not from today. Yeah, from this week, we had Monday, no news, so I see this as accumulation. Tuesday, we have news, 10 a.m. JOLTS opening. What I was saying, like a midweek reversal or like a classic buy week, which is going to be for classic buy week, it's going to be the low of the week on Tuesday, or the low of the week is going to be on Wednesday. But now it looks pretty obvious that maybe, I'd say the low of the week is going to be on Tuesday with the expansion that we had here. Also really clean, I will go over that. And then, yeah. So this then the manipulation. This will be the manipulation / distribution. This will be distribution. And this will be distribution / like retracement with NFP as well. Day before NFP, I'm not trading. But yeah, let's go into charts now. So going in today, I was just really bullish, expecting to be putting a low of the day in here. And then what I shared in Discord is what my thoughts were. Good morning, this is what I have marked on my chart, looking for bullish price today. Low hanging fruit would be the opening range high, which was let's see, at the time, like we already opened at 9:30, but we traded lower here. We were at the time, we didn't take out this low again, but we were at the time in this wick here, or the body there. I've marked out the buy side as well, the higher ones, but I'm not expecting for those to be taken today. But yeah, looking for longs today. What are you guys thinking? Eventually, we had a huge expansion to the upside. Eventually, we went for the buy side, where my TP was eventually. So that changes intraday, of course, as well. Like, that's just my answer going into today. I was really bullish, but I thought that this was just too far. I was not expecting it, but yeah, we did get it. And yeah, what I have marked out was this significant range low. Maybe I can make it bigger. We had the significant range low here, where we had a singular FEG, which was the 30-minute. I said that in that weekly analysis as well. Like, that's just like, that was a really nice one for this week. This was our significant range from this high to this low. Then this was the singular FEG, new week opening gap there. And then what we did is we take out the low of that significant range, and then 9:30 opened, and then trade lower and taking out that low again. So I was thinking, okay, this is going to be a turtle soup from here. Just because of that, and then I want to see what we get to the upside. I was looking for longs from here already, but we had 10 a.m. news where I had to wait for. There were a lot of people which had some nice long opportunities in here, but yeah, nothing for me. I wait for at least equal lows, and we didn't get it there, but really nice reversal off of there. So yeah, what I've marked out here, the turtle soup from here, expanded higher from here. Then we created some lows here. It was pretty choppy, I would say, this day. Like on a minutes time frame, on a bigger time frame, like a 50-minute would be pretty clean. But from here would be pretty choppy, I would say. Just by looking at the 1 minute, you could like see. But yeah, so from here, AM session, pretty choppy here. And then I did take a trade on this, which was a break-even trade, which was here. So this would be the inversion. And then in the time, we were also inside of a singular 6-hour inverse value gap, or a SIBI, which we didn't close above it yet. So we had a SIBI here on the 4-hour, another one there, and on the 6-hour we had a singular one. And I was saying in the AM session, like, okay, if we close above here, then that could be used as support for it to trade higher. Eventually did close above with, or actually, it's not this one, it's this one. Eventually we did close above with here, and then eventually it got used as support as well. But that's just, I just wanted to share that. It's beautiful. But here the closure above was here with like 1 tick or something. That was my entry. Stop on the second lowest candle. Break even would be at this high, and then the 1 and 2 would be first TP, which you can see I got stopped at break even. Never got fully stopped out, but that was the break even trade. And then my drawn liquidity was like correct up there. Yeah, just not in that trade. It was pretty choppy here as well. 11.14. My kill zone is from 9.30 to 11.15, so really nice there. But yeah, just couldn't be. Yeah, I'm not holding that like that. Those are not my rules. So I'm just following my rules, and that's it. So we went higher from here, lunch hour expansion, and then what we had is 13.15. That's where I was on the charts again, which was right here. So 13.15 right here, and then what I saw here is we were still inside of this premium, like pretty obvious, but yeah, we traded lower in here, and then we took out all these lows, which was like a trend line as well, which is right here. Then we take out these lows on this swing low, and then here we closed above this SIBI here. That was my entry. Stop on the second lowest candle. Break even would be here, and you can see I got stopped pretty quick on that. So that was the stop loss trade. And then one more trade which I took, which was right here. I was still on charge, really choppy price action here, and then 14, the 4-hour candle opened here, still pretty choppy price action. Then we traded lower, 14.15. We created a SIBI here. We took out equal lows here, so we took this low, we took these equal lows, which make this equal lows on one swing low, and then we closed above with, or we closed above on this SIBI, making this a inversion. My entry was at this, stop second lowest candle. First TP would be this high, but that's inside of a, or that's not a 1 and 2 yet, so I extended a bit higher until 1 and 2. That's right here, and then final TP was this high, so 75% off when 75% went off at a 1 and 2, and then full TP at 4.17 RR, which isn't a full 4.17 RR, but still a really nice trade there. Yeah, that's what I took for today. Yeah, really clean price action, I would say. Also with the elections coming up, yeah, you can see it here. This was the loss. Oh yeah, I took another trade in here, which was a break even as well. Yeah, I went long here, break even on this. I took even more trades then. I took 2 break evens. 3 break evens then, I think. Yeah, 3 break evens, because this was a break even trade. I went long. Oh, here again, which was an accidental trade because we didn't close above. Immediately went out of there. So yeah, took 2 break-even trades, 1 loss, 1 win, and this was an accidental one, but no profit or losses on that one. Yeah, really nice day. So up 400 on a day, still with the drawdown that I had from that 1 loss, which was $280 something. So I would say really good trading day, but yeah, back at break-even with the account, and yeah, that was the trade recap. Today I am, or tomorrow I'm trading again. Yeah, for today, really clean price action. Yeah, nothing to say about it really. Also something that I do, what I want to actually look in my data. Like this was a really quick stop out. Like I've seen this work, this one here, 13.15, but I can see here that the low that we actually put in, like it wasn't at 13.30, but I'd either say 13.15 manipulation or 13.30. That would be at 13.30, and there would be no setup in here, or actually, let me check really quick now. Yeah, there would be no setup in here, so I'd still be waiting, and then I avoided this loss if like my kill zone is from 13.30 to 15 instead of 13.15 to 15. That's something I want to look at my data. Like I know it works 13.15, but does it work more times than it doesn't? That's the probability that we got to do with trading, of course, and that's what I want to look into. That's the only thing. Yeah. Very good day today, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See ya.